My name is Adam Schneider. I'm a collector of Star Trek, mostly the miniatures and the spaceships. There's a little controversy about this. And the reason it's controversial, this is a screen use model, but it was only about 2/3 of the two rings. Two of the piers coming up, nothing in the middle. They wanted to place a camera here and shoot out. Have things approach the station, have things go by, have people go phaser the station, that type of thing. And then you said something very annoying. You said, but it doesn't look like Deep Space Nine.
Well, I asked you the question. When you go to show it, you have to explain it.
Yes, because it looks like two rings that no one has ever heard of. And you know when they use it in the show, because every shot they take from the middle, you know is this model. Unless you really know the show, it's just an interesting piece, but it's not the thing. So how did you know that that was the right scale down there for the red, which is the fusion core, if I recall? How do you understand that?
This is the kind of stuff I do. I've generated totally original models. Fortunately, you had the blueprints for that center section. It does show it. It does give it
Specific
the
dimensions?
shape. And then I just went by a few pictures. Most of the center section was done with a laser cutter. The original lighting was neon because that was the choice of the day. I went with, now they have the high brightness LEDs, which I chose to finish the model.
I'd like to ask the designer what he was thinking about when they built this place.
I called one of the main designers, and when he heard what we were trying to go do, he said, well, you know, I don't think he donated them, but he was perfectly willing to let me get them over time. And it's the first professional grade, real studio, final draft, because they changed it 100 times on the way, model blueprints for you to go work from. So you're right, it is as close as we're ever going to get to the original design.